do want it for that area where my kids play. And I'm pretty sure that these lighter ones are the baby pink to white variety. Really excited to have some of those colors too. Look how many I get. I mean, for $6, that's a lot of food. I did get only 6 plants per cabbage, but I mean, I can't really be too mad at that. For $6, these 6 packs from Green Acres are just awesome. The beets as well, just like the chard. I have so many. The colors in here, loving the variety. Just different colors, the yellow, possibly orange, white, the burgundy beets. Really excited to grow these, as well as the chard. I'm thinking of growing them together among flowers because they are very colorful. And since I'm gonna run out of space here at some point, especially because I'm adding cabbage here to the front, and I will plant a bit more of the arugula and spinach seeds. I have those here, but I do plan on adding more seeds to the front around here and some of the cabbage. So I won't have room for more of these lovely things. But because during the summer I do want to grow more of them, they're definitely going to have to go in that other section I have. So this is my choice of manure. I bought it at Lowe's, and honestly, it's been a gift. I used it for my garden bed, and I will tell you, it's just done me no issues, but happily, like my plants have just been growing happily. I did add half soil, garden bed soil, and half steer manure, and let me tell you, the amount of nutrients that start to just seep into the soil naturally over time, it just keeps your plants happy. Though even I do fertilize the soil, the plants, I give them nutrients. It's not like I don't, but I can tell you the benefit of the steer manure, or just any aged compost manure, any of it, manure, compost, if it's aged, it will benefit your plants and it will help them grow. It's just going to give them life. So the plants definitely do well. Speak of the devil. Here he is. I thought I was done with this, but no. Here we go again. It's definitely here. So let's see, 1 cabbage. Here. 2. Hello, worm. Nice to see you. 1 more cabbage in this area. So far it's done. Now I can figure out where I'm putting my beets. So I got a mix of calendula. There should be yellow, orange, and sort of a pale orange in here. I don't even know which one is which, obviously, so my plan is to add them along the border area in different sections so they're not all in one spot. And then I'm going to work on the beets. Key to any plant is you do want to disturb the roots a little bit, give it a little bit of activity, that way it starts to root. Theoretically, the chard's going to get bigger than my beets, similar in size, but still I'd say a bit wider and bigger. So I'm going to spread them out and try to keep them more in the back, the beets a little more to the front, and I will be spreading various seeds next to them, in front of them, depending on the size of the plant that I'm going to be trying to seed. So I have my chard laid out by color, and I'm going to try to basically put them all around the bed based on color. Try to not coordinate them, but more make them all different. So they're not all the same color in one area for the most part. I'll have to do seeds tomorrow.